Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign up to the HDFC mobile banking or the HDFC Pay app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the HDFC banking app. After you're on this page of the HDFC banking app, on the bottom of your screen you'll see this open account option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the open account option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, go ahead and click on this open your account now option. Once you click on the open your account now option, you'll be further guided to another page. Now you'll have to fill in your Aadhaar linked mobile number here. And you'll have to tick on this option and then click on this continue button. Once you click on the continue button, and if you have filled in your credentials or your mobile number correctly, you'll be guided to another page where you'll have to fill in the OTP code which the HDFC Pay app will send you on your phone. Once you fill in the OTP code here and click on this continue button, you'll be guided to another page which will allow you to sign up to the HDFC mobile banking or the HDFC Pay app. I hope this video helped you to sign up to the HDFC Pay app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.